So as a real estate agent, are you tired of juggling 10 different tools, chasing leads that goes cold, and spending hours on admin instead of actually closing deals? What if I told you that you can have one AI agent that helps you qualify your lead, helps you schedule your showings and your viewings, follow up automatically, generates you a multiple listing descriptions, right? And still gives you a beautiful dashboard for all your metrics in real time, just by giving this AI agent a simple 4 lines of prompts, right? Or to carry out its task or just instruction. So today, as a real estate agent, sit down because I'm going to be showing you how to build an AI agent using just these two tools, nothing more complex, using Claude for the smart brain and using Convocore for the no-code dashboard and deployment. And I want to just actually tell you something. This isn't about just a chatbot. This system handles complex tasks, multiple workflow. So stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you the exact prompt I used. So before we move on, I know you'll be asking yourself, why do I actually need an AI agent for my business? You see, real estate agents are losing 30 to 40% of their lead because of slow follow-up. One. Two, most real estate agents are on what I call, switching hubs, whereby they use CRMs, they use emails, calendars, MLS, social tools, like social platforms, all at the same time trying to manage themselves. So you can see that the path to actually being on this business is never a straight rope. It's never on a straight rope. You have to go through multiple steps before you actually, start your day, which is not a good way to play in my part. So sometimes I actually ask myself, why do you suffer through all these, right? So probably most real estate agents go through complex workflow, like trying to know what is lead qualification on systems like AI systems where property matching, showing software bookings and contract preps at the same time. So all these are all eating up your time. So most real estate agents under this category I just listed are closing fuels. They are closing fuels, right? Not deals. So they burn out, they are leaving money on the table. So the start is actually very, very poor. Now we have a game changer in this year, 2026 era, an agentic AI, not just a chatbot, but an AI that can reason as fast like a human. It can use tools, it can remember context from every conversation with you and your client, and it can execute multiple step workflows from your instruction you gave it. So right now we are using Claude, the best. It's from Anthropic for writing detailed logical instruction, script for complex real estate agent workflows. Then we use Convocore for a no-code platform to actually build AI voice agent that can, send text. This AI agent can connect to various tools like your WhatsApp, your email, your calendar, your Telegram. We have so many social media tools like your Facebook, your Instagram, and that is where most real estate agents are basically situated on right now. And you still get a professional dashboard for your leads, for your metrics, for conversation, and for better performance of every lead that comes through your pipeline. So that is what you're going to be seeing. So it also supports multiple agents setups like one-time qualification and one-time for follow-up system. So even if your tools are scattered at once, this AI agent is going to tie them back together with just a simple VI instruction and integration. So heads up, guys, because right now I'm going to be heading to Claude where we actually help ourselves give this Claude a simple 4 line or 3 line of instruction to actually build us a well simple AI agent without any hassle. Okay, so stay tuned with me, guys. So let's hit back down to Claude immediately. So the first step we want to actually do is to plan our AI workflow. So Claude helps in this process. So we are just going to give Claude a simple prompt for Claude to carry on the tasks, right? So I already have the prompt at hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste the prompt here immediately. So we're going to paste our prompt. Now, if you want this exact prompt, all you need to do is to go to the description below and download the prompt, the exact prompt I used to actually create a system on Convocore is actually there. So coming back, you can see that this is just a 4 lines of instruction given to Claude for Claude to build us a well-detailed system prompt for an AI agent that handles the specific workflow and new leads coming from websites, qualify them, match the buyer's properties from MLS suggestions to straight up follow-up emails, and include reasoning step escalation to humans and integration point. This is exactly what you want your AI agent to have, the tasks your AI agent should carry on. So right now we are just going to click on enter immediately. Then boom, it's going to help us start, building this well system prompt for us. So we're just going to wait a minute, let it build us a comprehensive production ready well system prompt for us. So it's actually laying out the lead pipeline. So it's going. So we should just give it a wait. So you can look at every logical workflow is given here. So it's building us a well system workflow. So now you can see the prompt is actually building us a prompt after creating the workflow. So you can see we just have to wait, let it finish on the prompt. Wow. So you can see that this is well expressive and comprehensive prompt and well detailed prompt this system is giving us. So if you haven't liked this video, please, I want you to hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please also subscribe this video for more videos like this to come on, and hit the share button to share to anyone who is actually there and don't know anything about systems like this in this kind of era. So it amazes me. So let's see what it is still going on. So you can see that this is what we are using Cloud for. And Cloud is absolutely a beast on creating systems like this for us. So we just use Cloud for our prompt, and that is what we also give to our clients right away. So you can see what we're using it for. So right now it says how I customize it. Three things you must replace before deploying is the brokerage name, the agent name, your actual brand identity. The AI will use this into every intro message and API. Now, funny enough, don't be scared because I don't actually using this kind of complex AI tools, AI platform to actually build this. No, it's not like anything. So if your mind is telling you we're going to use systems like Made.com, we have gone past that era. Right now, we are using systems that can actually help vibe with this instruction and build a well-situated system for us. So right now, we are just going to replace it with the brokerage name is going to be Nigeria. We're going to say Nigeria Property Center, and the agent name is gonna be Aria. Yeah, we're going to give this agent name Aria. Now, one more thing that is missing is that we want to actually give Cloud our website. Now, this Nigeria Property Center, I have no affiliation with them right now. This is just a website I'm going to copy, and I'm just going to paste it on Cloud here. Now, Cloud is going to help me read their website, and once it read their website, it's not going to create a well-matched prompt, right, to follow up with our system we want to create. So let me go and actually paste this website here. So I've given it a prompt. I've given it our website. So it just merges this website with our prompt. So let's hit enter. So it actually merges. Well, it seems we actually bumped into a network error, but nevertheless, I'm just going to check on my network, right? So sorry for that. So right now we are back, right? So it's fetching the details from Nigeria Property Center. So you say, good, I have everything I need. Here is the full mesh Nigeria specific prompt ready to paste on your Convocore AI system. Okay, so right now we are on it. So right, it's building it. So once it's done, we're just going to copy these prompts and we're going to paste it on Convocore. So right now, there's something I want. If you don't also understand how it actually works, I'm also going to leave this exact prompt I created on the platform, right? On my platform on Telegram. So you can just go there and actually copy the exact of my Telegram channel is also there. If you want to, you can join. It's free, where you actually know how to build AI systems for businesses and build AI system for yourselves. So you can actually go copy this exact system there, and it's also in the description below. So everything will be well meshed into the description for you to actually download. So let's keep going, guys. So I'm going to be sincere with you guys. This is a very long prompt, right? So we're going to copy it, and once we copy it, we're going to move to Convocore AI. So right now we are going to search on Convocore. So guys, this is the Convocore we have all been waiting for. All we need to do is just to click on the platform, and we can see how it actually looks like. So you can see their their landing page, and you can see that it helps in voice agents, chat agent platforms for businesses and agencies. Okay, you can generate any agent for any businesses. So you can see their use cases. So I just want to show you their use cases, their real world use cases. Healthcare, the dental practice, the scheduling and admin, and we have the real estate industry also here. And for what most conversational logical system built for sophisticated conversation flows with visual nodes and condition branches. But right now, as a guy who is new, I will not actually advise you to try on this part because this is just similar to N8N or stuff like this. So right now, what I want you to do is we'll just go and click on the get started if you have not created any account or if this is your first time. So for me, this is my first time. What I'm going to hit is I'm just going to hit on sign in and we're going to log in immediately. Okay. So after signing in, it takes you to your workspace, right? So this is my dashboard right now. You're seeing. So right now, I've created 3 AI agents here that you're currently seeing, and this was created about a month ago. This was a month ago, and this was 2 months ago. I think currently one of my clients is actually using this in my local area. We sold an agent to this real estate agent guy. So he's currently using it. So now the first thing we want to actually do is to create an agent. Now we can actually create an agent, but right now this gives you access to about 4,000 or 6,000 credits when you come in. Now you don't need to actually pay money to actually create agent like this. So if you don't have money, this agent is totally free. This system is totally free. You can start creating agent and you sell it for you to actually get your money back. So right now, what we want to do is we want to create a new agent. So be that we are using the free plan, we will actually want to use limited agents. Like you can also create up to like 5 agents. nothing more than 5 agents. So right now I have elapsed 3 of my agents, remaining 2 agents that we can create. So right now, the first thing we're going to do is we want to create new. So you just come here and you click on it. So when you click on it, you can see various agent templates to choose. So we have blank agent. If you want to start from the beginning, you can do that. And we have customer support agents where you can actually just continue to build from there. We have game agents, like game NPC agents, where you can still use. And we have real estate agents, which also here you can carry on and build. We have healthcare for dental, for medical spas, anything you want to do. So right now, the thing is that if you're starting and you're feeling kind of confused, so my advice is what we actually want to do is you just give this agent a name. Just so our name is Aria, so just the name is agent Aria. Now we can actually create an agent from the agent wizard. So this agent wizard lets you vibe code with your prompt, right? You're just going to give him a simple prompt and your link to your website. It's going to script everything and it's going to build you an AI agent and connect everything together for you all in one place. So as first you're ready to give him every of your details, then boom, this AI agent is going to start building something for you. So let's use Agent Wizard. And when you use Agent Wizard, this is exactly how the interface looks like. So the guy say, hey, I'm excited to help you perfect an AI agent for your business. What kind of business do you run? So I'm going to say I run uh, real estate business. So boom, we're going to give it. So you can see, good, that's great. Real estate is fantastic. So real estate is a fantastic industry for an AI agent to help streamline operations. Could you tell me a bit more about what you would like the AI to help within your real estate business? Are you looking to assist with property inquiries and schedule viewings, qualify lead, and something else? Yeah, yeah. So right now we are going to copy this prompt that we actually did on Cloud and paste it here. That is what we're going to do. So I'm just going to paste our prompt here. Now I think this prompt is a little bit long, right? It's a little bit long. I don't know if it can actually swallow this. So this is a prompt that is very, very long. So we're just going to give it. Wow. So you can see it. So let's just pray if it can actually swallow our prompt and carry out the instruction. So boom, I think it's already done on that. So let's see what it gave us. So you can see what it has learned after giving it a prompt. So it said your business type is real estate. Your agent purpose is to help buyers, renters, shortlet seekers find property across Nigeria using listings from Nigeria Property Center. Your target audience are buyers and renters, shortlets. And your tone should be professional, warm, and friendly. English acknowledges Nigerian context, language, English. Additional required, never give legal financial bidding, contractor advice, never claim to be a human, never make up listings, adheres to Nigerian market specific handling rules, escalate to human agent for complex inquiries or queries. Very, very good. So keep chatting to tell me, are you ready to proceed? Now we want to give it, we want to actually see what it gave us. He said, thank you for sharing short a detailed blueprint for area. It's clear you have a fantastic vision for how these AI agents to start your real estate business. Based on this, area will be a professional and warm assistance. So to get started, could you tell me where you would like Aya to interact with your customer? Will you depend be on your website chat we get? Yeah, just say on the website we get. Yeah, we'll say on the website we get. Let's do that. So I'm going to also give it our website. So let me just copy the website and paste it here. So yeah, this is my website. So I'm just going to give it a website. So right now, I just want to tell you something. We are not affiliated again to this company, or we have nothing to do. This is just for the sake of this video, okay? So we don't get things messed up. Yeah. So right now, I'm just going to enter to see whether it's going to train um itself on our website. It says good. The company website is nigeriapropertycenter.com. So you need to actually come down here and actually see what it has learned from every given prompt you ask for it. So you already provided a lot of fantastic details again about um about your goals. Good. So we'll be there with a voice option for phone calls. Yeah, phone calls is also good. So I'm just going to tell him carry on building this. So yeah, just carry on. So yeah, carry on building this system, building this system. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to enter that. So he said, excellent, it's creating us an AI agent. So it's going to analyze our website. This AI agent can handle up to 10,000 websites. Boom. It has created us Nigeria Property Center. It even went to their logo and picked their logo for for the widget logo. You can see that we built a well-structured, AI chart widget for the website. So right now I'm going to show you how this website looks like. So it doesn't be plain. So currently you can see the logo up here. You can see it right here. So you can see that this AI agent is very, very accurate. And it didn't take us nothing less than 2 minutes for me to actually communicate with this AI system. Now it doesn't just stop here, okay? It doesn't stop here. So let's head back to the system. So right now we want to actually make it red, but if we make it red, we make the logo disappear. So we're going to make it maybe blue. Then when we're going to make it blue, then I think everything has been built. Then if you want your temp preference to be dark or light, you can actually choose. And if you want to update the logo, very fine, you can actually update the logo. So right now you can see how much should we scrape. It said choose how much of your website should we crawl before creating your AI agent. The much better but also slower. The process will be quick or balanced. So after press creating AI agent will script your website, generate a vibe coded AI agent set up with knowledge base using a script content from the website and apply it as your best default setting for use cases. So right now, I think I'm going to go for quick, right? Should we go for quick? But if we go for quick, we spend 20 seconds, but not ending up scraping anything, like almost everything. Sorry. Then we will go for balance. It will actually take us 1 minute, but it's a more detail. So for me, for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to just go for quick. So I'm going to go for quick, and boom, we should start creating. So right now, it's actually scraping this system. So it's scraping it, so we can see we have over 33,248 characters on pages. So it's actually building. Boom, we have this AI agent in here. So right now we have built this system. So you can see how everything works all in just 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So this is how you can see your system right now. So right now, these are the instruction area, like the instruction area where you can actually give this AI agent instruction for you to actually carry on. So right now, the kind of large language model we are using is GLM. Okay. Right now, you can actually choose any kind of large language. You can use Kimi, you can use Cloud. It depends on how much you bond your credit. So right now, it also has a feature where you can actually score your lead. So if we on our full name, we actually give these AI agents the ability, okay, we give them the ability to score the lead based on every of your criteria that is needed. So you can also come down here and add tools. Now, what are the kind of tools you want to add, right? So you can just come here. These tools helps our AI agent go for more complex capabilities. Now, this AI, we can actually give this AI agent a tool whereby as it's communicating with our clients, it also has the ability to end the call and also forward the call to any number that is installed on Twilio, and also has the ability to book a time available slot for us, also create available slot with workflow. So we can also do all of these. So we can also, save every conversations on Airtable, create, read, update, and record every conversation and real-time metrics. So you can see that this is an all-in-one tool here. And it also has the ability to send SMS, right? You can also book appointments, send SMS, send emails across to your leads. So this is an all-in-one platform. This is not like a switching hub where if you drop, you have to get on this hub. No, this is actually easy for real estate agents. So you can also see the instruction here. So you can also you can see instruction and see the system rule, the context, the persona, the core value, proposition, value proposition, the key information, the knowledge of what these AI agents will have. Everything all seated here. Now everything is good to go. So right now we actually want to apply the total point. Now this lead scoring shows you the criteria level of how your lead, whether your lead should meet up to your criteria, where they don't actually fumble. You don't come in to actually close deals with window shoppers or time shoppers. You don't do that. So this is an automatical qualification leads machine that helps you trigger notifications. It's going to send them to your email. Whenever a lead is qualified, it's going to tell you that okay, this lead is qualified. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go for the voice. So you can see the voice. You can choose any kind of voice. This AI agent should communicate with your clients. You can choose this. So there are many voices you can choose. Right now we are on Gemini. You can also enable 11 labs. Though this is on Google, you can also then we can also choose the kind of speed generation. So right now I told you Google is actually free for me, and Google is actually the cheapest. So you can actually change the background if you want the background noise to be office is good. You can actually put it to the office if you want it to be street, but if you don't want this voice to have any background, you can put it on none. So for me, I pick office. So right now we want to actually get a phone number. And one funny thing is that you can get a phone number on this system. So like I told you, this is an all-in-one platform. You shouldn't be suffering from. You can buy a phone number here, you can purchase their phone number, and or you can either import a number from Twilio and you can come here to actually test this AI agent on outbound calls, right? You can just paste the number you imported from Twilio or you bought or you purchased from Convocore. Then you can come back to widget and design a widget. You can just add your own branding where you can code this widget. You see here, you can actually copy and give it a HTML design specific for your own business. Then we head down to knowledge base where everything is You can see our knowledge base, a full knowledge doc base from Nigeria Property Center website. So it scraped every content, and this is exactly where our AI agent is trained on. You can either export it or you delete it. So everything is created automatically. Automatically, no hard complex, right? So you can just come back here and you can also see the charts that no chat has been communicated with this system. Yeah, you can see no chat has been here. We haven't talked to our system. So we can come back here for the lead. Now, this is one thing that is very, very important. You see, when you have created this AI agent, now real estate agents have leads that are what I call that are actually dead, right? So this AI agent can actually revive your dead leads. It can revive your dead leads into booked appointments. All you have to do is to add a lead group. If you have a lead group in your phone or your system or in a CSV file, numbers that are actually wasted, they are not just wasted. This is actually a good mine. If you import them here, this AI agent has the ability to phone call every lead on your CSV file. So like this is an all-in-one template. It helps you revive your dead leads, right? So this is very good for real estate agents, for business owners. Then it comes down to channel. Like I told you, this AI system can connect simultaneously to every platform here at the same time. You're going to be using them at the same time. It connects here immediately. You can actually come here, connect your WhatsApp, connect your Messenger, connect on your Instagram or your SMS. But email is not yet out. I think we are having issue with your emails, right? So I'm not in any way affiliated with Convocore. Okay, I'm just showing you what I use for our clients in our business. So right now, we're going to move to the simulator. Now, this simulator is going to expose every error our AI agent have before deploying this AI agent. So it's going to analyze our AI agent before deploying it, and every analysis that is here is the analysis we're going to use to correct this AI agent back and forth. So right now, what we want to do is we want to move to prompt, and this is prompt. Like this is where you can actually. This is the most important brain of this AI system, right? If you don't get this system well, it's because your prompt has been devalued. And once your prompt is devalued, this AI agent makes mistakes. So you have to be very careful with this area here. All you need to do is now you can see the instruction who should start the conversation. Do we let the user start the conversation? Yes. We're going to allow our user to start the conversation. Okay. So it's very good. So we don't like to interrupt. But if you want to actually go for vast and complex instruction, you can actually switch to Canva view. When you switch to Canva view, you switch to Canva view. Canva view allows you with various node systems where I don't think you can understand this as a first time beginner. You're going to connect various nodes immediately so you can see how it looks like. But if you are beginner, I advise you very, very easy, switch to a prompt view. It is the most important part. So right now we want to test this AI agent. Tomorrow of talking, let's test how this AI agent works. Okay, so we're going to test everything. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to test it. We can start with a voice chat. So we want to use a voice chat. So hold on guys, I want to use a voice chat. So let's start. Hello, Aria. My name is Malik, and I watched your ads from Facebook on when you guys actually sell shortlets, and I'm looking forward to get that for my bro in Nigeria.
Help you with that. What part of the country are you looking for a shortlet in?
Okay, so probably I'm situated in Abuja, so I think my brother wants to stay in Lagos.
Lagos is great. What specific areas of Lagos are you interested in?
I don't actually know areas in Lagos very much. I've stayed in Abuja. I don't go to Lagos usually, but the only places I know is in Ikoyi, and I don't know in Ikoyi and Banana Island. I think my brother will actually want to go to Banana Island if that's possible from you guys.
Yes, Banana Island is a great option, and we do have shortlet listings there. Do you have a specific budget or number of bedrooms your brother needs?
Yeah, he needs about three, just three. And he's also looking for a swimming pool. If you could have a swimming pool, swimming pool and a gym house. It's more like a guy who is into fitness, right? More of a guy into fitness.
I understand. We do have properties with pools and gyms, though I'm not finding a specific shortlet in Banana Island with those exact features right now. Would you be interested in nearby areas like Ikoyi or Lekki, which also have luxury options?
Yeah, I'll go for Lekki. Let's go for Lekki.
Perfect. I found a furnished 3-bedroom apartment in Lekki, with a gym and pool. You can view the details here. Furnished 3-bedroom apartment with gym and pool. Is there anything else I can help you find today?
No, 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 nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. So when are you looking forward to actually get this done for me? Get it all wrapped up for me?
Are you looking to schedule a viewing or proceed with the booking process?
Yeah, schedule with a viewing will be very good for me.
What time works best for your brother to view the property?
Yeah, so he's coming into the country next week, Monday. So I think basically on Tuesday will be fine for us to actually schedule, because on Tuesday we can come out, we can come in to Lagos with a flight, and we can come in around 12 a.m. if that's fine by you guys, or 12 p.m. Stuff like that. So that is it. I think what this AI agent is currently doing right now is helping us to, find the tools to actually help us book in a call. Now, we didn't assign any tool to this AI agent. So we can actually come down here and assign it to, like I said, this is just the brain of this system. So everything here is the brain. You have the like MCPC server not configured yet. So no tool is actually given to this AI agent to pick on the capabilities for it. So that's why it was having a hang up when I told it that we actually coming around 12 p.m. or 12 p.m. The AI agent was actually looking for a tool he can actually create an event and actually tell me, go, he has already done that. So right now you can see that this is how it gets qualified. You can see how simple it was to build an AI system like this. So you have seen the real result. An AI can qualify your lead 247, nurture it with personalized follow-up, book showings automatically. The AI agent can also report 10 to 20 hours savings of high conversations. So you can see that you have 30 to 40% in some use cases. Okay. So I want to actually clear this objection most real estate agents are using. Okay. I'm not a technical person. Convocore is a no-code platform. Cloud is going to help you write the hard part. So secondly, most people will also ask this question. Will it sound robotic? Now you have seen it that this AI system uses a natural voice model, and you can also test the prompt. So lastly, compliance tip: always review sensitive real estate advice. That is what we always give this system, right? So not to blow up and cause any violation policies. Okay. So my friend, you have seen it all. If you're a real estate agent ready to stop drowning in tools and start scaling with AI, comment the word AI agent below, and I'll send you my cloud prompt template, and you try it yourself. You start with cloud for the script and you build Convocore. So all the links are in the description. So please, my friends, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech that actually makes you more money. So next video, just drop a comment and I will be your biggest, review about your headaches that you're going right now. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. So just comment with any video you want me to drop next, or any problem you're feeling, and I will help you do that. So thank you very much, guys.